Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments, my 2 to 3 minute podcast. I'm Nancy Myrland. I just returned from the LMA 26 conference, which is the Legal Marketing Association annual conference. It was in New Orleans this year. We were there in 2018, and it was so good to be back because it's a perfect place for a conference. I was able to present twice, one on artificial intelligence and once on video. And one of the messages during my video presentation in particular, but it did surface in the AI presentation, is that in this age of AI-generated content, which is so easy, and it's making artificial content surface more regularly than it ever has before, then we need to find ways to stand out and stand apart from people. And if you just look for the hashtag LMA26 on LinkedIn, like me, you will find 100, 200 posts that have taken place since the moment the conference started last Monday, where people are full of energy and enthusiasm and information from being in person with others at the conference. And so my message to you is that there is nothing like being in person with people. If you want to stand out in this era that we are in and that is only going to get more cluttered, then what you need to do is get in front of people. Not only did people say that they learned a lot from being in person, but they are so full of the energy of other people and of the planning committee and of all of the excitement and enthusiasm that comes along with touching base with that many people face to face. So I encourage you, I urge you to find ways to complement what you're doing online with in-person touches and opportunities. I know it takes effort. I know sometimes the thought of it is horrendous to some, but it's really important that you make the investment to do that as much as possible. If you're lucky enough to present, I know I won't be lucky enough to present every year, much less twice in one year, and I'm grateful for that opportunity. If you're able to share something of value, if you're able to then have one-on-one or even small group conversations with people where you share information, you answer questions, you ask questions, you will not be sorry for that. All right, that's my message for you today. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm at Nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. All right, talk to you next time. Bye-bye.